Shopify Prestige Theme Customization. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Prestige theme from the library of Shopify themes and also how we can customize it. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the admin dashboard. Once you are here, you're going to head over the sales channels and select from this menu the online store. Once you have selected it, it will drop down here a little menu full of items. We have the themes, the first thing, the blog spot, the pages, and etc. We are going to obviously select the themes. From here, we are going to see our current theme and also the theme library. Now, what are we going to do is to visit the theme library by clicking on the themes from here. So we are going to see here the visit the theme library button at the end. We are going to click on it and here it will show up the library. Now, what are we going to do is to search for the theme that we want. As you can see here, we have tons and tons of themes. We have the paid ones and also the free ones. Now I'm going to click on the search bar at the top and we're going to type in Prestige. Like that, we're going to see the suggestion right away. We're going to click on this and it will show up here the theme. So obviously the Prestige theme is not for free. It is going to be sold for sale for $380. So we are going basically here to try this theme. You can go ahead and see the demo right there of the store by opening it into a preview here page. We're going to see here we have three styles. We have the Allure, we have the Couture, and we have the Vogue. So the theme will come with three variation. So obviously you're going to see here a three variation setup. So basically the theme of Prestige is set up for clothing brands or clothing stores. So you are going to see here the products that are going to be like this. Here we have some, as you can see, let's say samples and examples. So we are going to see it as this. If I want, for example, to change this to the couture, we are going to see only the same thing but for dresses. So aside from that, we are going to try this theme. We are going to click on try theme and it will add it to our Shopify library. Now we are going to wait. Here it is installing our theme or the theme into our store. We're going to see it here. It is adding the Prestige. So normally we are going to see it right here. So as you can see, we have the Prestige. We have two labels. Just add it as it is a new theme. And we have also the theme trial label. So you can go ahead and try it, not apply it onto your store. So you are going to get only the current theme right there that it is done in our case. You're going to have a chance to put it here in action and customize it. If you like it, you're going to buy it. If not, you're going to remove it. So I'm going to click on customize. And from here, we're going to see the theme. But here, I don't know if you have noticed, but the images are gone. Why? Because the images that we saw on the preview mode were only for show and not for publishing. So here we have the free spaces to add the images and the videos if there is some, let's say here, some placement. Now, this is the image slider. It is going to be here fused with the header. So if in any case you are going to hover the mouse in the header section, it will change the color to something here clear that will show you here clearly the elements. And if you remove it, it is going to be transparent. This is a feature that you are not going to see in the normal or the standard or the acquired Shopify themes from the beginning, like the Dawn theme. But here, I'm not going to say that this is better than the Dawn theme, but the Dawn theme is going to be here a theme that will be programmed or coded for being better and better. So this is a, let's say here, a developed version of the Dawn theme named Prestige. Now, here you're going to see the announcement bar at the top. Here we have it. As you can see, it is set up to the, I think this is not a very dark black, but it is going to be like this. So what we're going to do here is to modify this announcement bar to something like a promotional purpose. So get your, for example, free shipping here, for example, now, for example, like this. I'm going to make this bold. Boom. Now, this is the announcement bar. It is going to be looking very cool, as you can see. Also, the font is very professional and premium. Now, for the announcement bar options, you're going to see here that we have the color scheme. We can enable the sticky bar, as you can see. So it is going to be like this, sticking right there by the header. If we are going to remove it, you're going to see that the sticky bar is only enabled on the menu. So aside from that, you can go ahead and get the regular, as you can see, setting for the announcement bar, like on any other theme on Shopify. Now for the header, we are going to see that we have the logo place, or it is named right there, the name of our store, which is My Store. You can see here that we have the same options that we've had before on the Dawn theme or any theme that we have navigated through. Now we can add a mega menu since the header has been activated to the mega menu. So we are going to have here a mega menu. You can add a mega menu, for example, like this, and then you can go ahead and modify it, add an image to it, add some heading, some text, some headings also too right there. We have up to 2 headings and 2 images that you can apply for one mega menu. And for the other section that you can add to the header group, it is going to be these. We have the countdown timer, the custom liquid code, and the logo list. So basically, these could be added and also or could be ignored. So if I add a counter right there timer, so we are going to see it, we can put it here in the place of the announcement bar. So we can hide the announcement bar and let here the current, as you can see, uh, countdown timer. So I'm going to click on it and we are going to let it as it is. So basically we can go ahead and add an expiration date. You are going to follow up the format right there. This is the year, the month, the day, the hour, and the minutes if you are going to be more precise. So let's pretend that we are going to set up here something like here the 2024. We're going to put it here at the dash. So we are going to put this month and we're going to put it until the end of the day or the year. For example, here the promotion, we are going to put up here a space. The hour is going to be 24, 23 or middle of the night like this. And you're going to see here everything. So this is the countdown timer. So it is set to 25 days, 11 hours, 45 or 45 minutes, and 20 and something seconds. I'm going to save it as it is. This is just a promotional purposes. So here, when the timer expires, you're going to hide the section or leave the timer at 0. So I'm going to hide the section. Now let's head over the overlay group. We have an overlay group here before the template. So on the Dawn theme that I have been working on, I've had only the header, not the header group, but the header, the template, and the footer. So now we are going to head over the overlay. We are going to see here we have the cart drawer, which is going to be this one. You can go ahead and get this. You can go ahead and modify here the cross sell. For example, we have a cross sell integrated products and whatever. We're going to show the cart notes, shipping text, some checkout buttons, and etc. Also, you can modify the scheme of it or the colors. We have a newsletter pop-up, which is going to be this one. It is going to be integrated, and this is a good thing. So you do not have to install a app right there to store the emails that you're going to get or collect from your subscribers. Here we have, as you can see, everything is set up and everything is very simple. You can link a text, put a heading, put whatever you want. This is in the case of the simplicity. Here we have the policy banner. You're going to see the policy cookie and etc. You can go ahead and activate it and you're going to see it playing right there. So either the clients or the visitors will accept or decline. This is a very good thing. So what there, aside from the overlay group, we are going to head over the template. We have the slideshow, which is going to be this one. So this is the slideshow. You are going to see the text, the colors that are going to be showing up and amazing the people. We have the image slide, for example. We can go ahead and modify the images. So you can add some images. I'm going to add this one and see how it will look. Okay, this is an ugly image. I'm not going to lie, but I'm going to remove it anyway. So the standard one is going to be better. Here we have the, as you can see, the recommended. Here we have for the first image and the second image. Also, we have the content or the subheading, tell your story. For example, here we have this one. We have the heading. As you can see, you can go ahead and put the image slide here, the heading. So you can put here a title for the first one or the content. For example, um, luxury, for example, since it is going to be here talking, for example, itself. So we can go ahead and put it as it is like this, luxury itself, since we are going to work on a luxury clothing brand or something like that. You can go ahead and get the settings for the content maximum width, the buttons. You can add some buttons right there, here and there, and link them. Also, you can control the colors, the transparency of things, etc. Now that was for the slideshow. Now for the featured collection, which is going to be here. This is the featured collection. You can go ahead and have the title, rename it, and put it where you want. So you are going to get here the collection. So you can connect a collection to show up here the products. As you can see, it is going to be here. Let's see here for the slide 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. For the second slide 4 also. So we are going to get here a slide of 8 element for both. You can go ahead and add the collection. Set up here the products to show. For example, you can augment it to 10. For example, you're going to see here 10. For example, here we have 4, 4, and 2. These are the 10 products. You can go ahead and limit it or unlimit it to whatever you want. We have a heading. You can go ahead and put a link to it. The products are going to be clickable, so they can go ahead and visit any product that they are going to touch. For example, as you can see here, we have the possibility to click. So we have the button of view all. So it is going to be something like that. It is sliding the color to transparent to the black. Something amazing. Now, for the multi-column, as you can see, this is something that is, let's say here, generic or universal for all the themes on Shopify. So you can go ahead and use this column or multi-column for testimonials, reviews, or customer reviews. You can go ahead and put them and also select the columns, put some images on. For example, here we have the suggestion or the recommendation, and then you can tell a story, for example, for a client review or something like that. It is going to be here, let's say, collecting the trust for the clients to see here. You can also use them as, let's say, presentation for brands, or you can go ahead and put them as the brands that you are going to set up, or some reviews about your site or whatever. So here we have the collection list. So this is the collection list. It is going to be here the variation for the collection. We have here the collection. You can go ahead and select or link them to all the collection. We have here 6 collection that you can go ahead and modify them to. So it is going to be a various collection. At this point, you're going to need to have lots and lots of products and also lots of collection created. So you can go ahead and showcase whatever you want. For the recommendation sizes, you're going to see them here. So the creator of this theme has mentioned the right there the correct sizes that you are going to need right there for this to be very let's say sleek. Now, here the before and after image slider, we've had this before, but or I have been setting this as, let's say here, a coded thing. So I have been putting a code onto a custom liquid section that I have added to put this slider. And also we've had this coming from the before videos from a website called Fsite for the before and after image, but this is integrated, so this is very cool. So you can go ahead and add the images right there for the section for the before and after. This is very amazing. So image with a text scroll, so we are going to here see the image with a text scroll, so we are going to see it right there. You can go ahead and add the image from here, for example this, and set up a scrolling text, which is going to be very amazing right there. So this is not what I wanted to do exactly, but it is okay. So here we have the mobile. I'm going to exit this. We're going to see the text. You can go ahead and modify the text from here or select an image and put it instead right there for this specific one. This is the case that we are going to put here. This is very amazing. You are going to see it right here. Now, aside from the this one, we have the multiple media with text, which is going to be here. So you are going to showcase your product right there. For example, you are going to showcase two products, one above the other. For example, this black box is going to be above the transparent one. So you are going to put it here, some new arrivals or new promotion and etc. Now for the, as you can see here, the newsletter, you're going to get here a newsletter subscription box. You can also get the shop, the look, but they are going to set up here as something featuring the product or a picture that is going to be here getting three products. So basically you are going to put up here something like a mannequin, for example, or a photo that contains at least three products, two or three products, as you can see there. So these products are going to be here highlighted. Whenever a customer click on a product, it is going to be highlighted here. The product obviously is going to be from the image, and the here and the transparent case right there at the right side of the screen is going to be the image highlighter. This is a very well thought feature and also very well thought section. So this is going to be something amazing that you are going to right there fill the time of the customers when they are going to see here your store. So you are going to give them something that will animate and make them click and work and see the products. For example, you are going to put here a mannequin that is wearing something right there at the top, here at the hand of the shirt, for example, or a sweater, here something like a pants or something like that. You're going to put them like this. So this is how the look is. So you are going to put up here the products and everything. So here we have the blog post. It's something that we are going to finish the template section with, which is going to be here related to the blogs. As you can see here, the images are going to have a zoom in hover effect for the mouse. For example, if I hover the mouse about it, it is going to be zooming in a little bit the images. And this is a very cool effect right there. So we are going to incite people to visit your right there, the blog post that you have. And now for the footer group, we are going to see here we have text with icons. So we are going to here they have chosen to publish, as you can see, their or the store, let's say here, benefits, for example, for the free delivery worldwide, which is not very suggested. But in case you have calculated that and the prices are going to be well, it is going to be here a cool feature. Certified or refunded, this is something that is going to be very supportive for your, let's say here, policy. Top-notch support. Yes, if you have here a theme, so you are going to give that. And here we have the secure payment. So basically you are going to change these icons, for example, here You can go ahead and change them. For example, if you know how to code, obviously. So I think that we do not have here the icons to change. So, I'm misguided. So this is the icon. So we can go ahead and put or change the icons. For example, we can go ahead and change here this one and that one. This is very well thought. So here we have the satisfied, for example, or refunded, something like this. It is very cool. So I was about to tell something about this feature, but I found that it was very available right there to change the gifts or the icons from here. This is very well thought from a very expensive theme right there, and it is very cool. Now for the footer, we have the newsletter, also a reminder for subscription. We have the footer menu and the about section. You can go ahead and customize each one of these three elements from here, and here we have it. Um, Here in resume, this theme is very, very professional and very luxurious in my opinion, because it is going to have everything in one place. So nearly not completely, you nearly do not need any other section or preparation to set up something else. So you're going to have here buy something that has a value, and this value is going to be performing well for your website, also for your store. If you have here a brand store or a brand for clothing store, of course, and do not forget to add as many products as you have, because it is going to be consuming the products of yours. So you are going to get here a lot of products, a lot of collections, and a lot of photos. Everything is going to be here based on the photo. The quality of the photo is mattering right there very highly, because it is going to be if it is a high quality photos, also some, not I'm not going to say mushable photos, but let's say here aesthetic photo, you are going to get here a lot of leads, or high quality leads. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.